Here's an easy lunch or dinner you can make with just beans, spinach, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese and some garlic and olive oil. I've sauteed some garlic on medium heat with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add 2 cans of cannellini beans that have been rinsed and drained. And we're going to cook these up for about a minute or so. Now we're going to add 5 ounces of spinach, and it's going to look like a whole lot, but get it in there and it will wilt and kind of look like it's melted down, and it'll be the perfect amount. So the spinach is cooked about 3 to 5 minutes and it's nice and wilted, and now we're going to add a half a cup of grated parm. I used Vegan Violife is the brand, and I really like it. We're going to stir this up, season it with a little salt and pepper, and it's a perfect meal.